students, myself Rashmi Shah, your SS teacher. I hope you have enjoyed a very nice rainy season for 1 week, right? It was a very beautiful rain coming, so you have enjoyed that. Now we have completed one session of lesson number 3. Today we are going to start with the next session, that is ancient town and the scripture of lesson number 3. Now here we are going to start with a new topic of dockyard of Lothal Port. That is a place where the import and export of things was done. The goods were loaded and unloaded here. The boats, the steamers were being made here at this place. Dockyard means the place where the boats and the steamers are being made. पोर्ट यानी एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे गुड्स को अनलोड किया जाता है और लोड किया जाता है. Dholavira is an archaeological site located in the Khadirpet area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into 2 parts, but Dholavira is divided into 3 parts. That is Saterial Fort, Upper Town, Lower Town. The main speciality of Dholavira is the rainwater harvesting system and the stadium. That is, what is the main feature? Rainwater harvesting system to save the water during the time of rainy season, that they can use that same water during the time of scarcity for their agriculture purpose, for their day-to-day life purpose. So that is called the rainwater harvesting system. Stadium where the sports are being played, that you all know. Next town they have given about the Kalibagan town, which is in Rajasthan. It is the most important place for agriculture revolution during the time of Harappan civilization. The remains of the farm, जगह जहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर की जाती थी, द रिमेन्स ऑफ द कॉपर के टूल्स भी उनको वहाँ पे मिले. तो इस चीज़ों से उनको पता चलता है कि यहाँ पे फार्मिंग भी किया जाता था, कॉपर भी यूज़ किया जाता था, यहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चर भी किया जाता था, उसमें से टूल्स भी बनाए जाते थे जो एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस में काम आते थे. द टाउन प्लानिंग ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इज well organized, well engineered, well planned and efficient. That is, it was well organized and well engineered, well planned by the engineers. The very good engineers were there. We can say because of the intelligence of the engineer, the design of Indus Valley civilization was done in a very perfect way, in a very organized way. So it is because of the engineers. Next they have given about the craftsmanship of the craftsman. Craftsmanship of the craftsman यानी जो लोग किसी चीज़ को बनाने में माहिर है. He has the ability to make something new, a creativity idea, to make something. That is called a craftsman. That is because of them, it is, we can say the Indus Valley civilization is well organized town. It is a well organized, well engineered, well planned town. The next they have given about the picture. You can see the picture of Lothal Port. It is connected with the rivers like Ghaggar, Bhogau, Narmada and Tapti river. In the next picture you can see clearly on the 4 sides there is a river flowing down where the import and export of goods is done from one place to another place. The place where the goods are loaded and unloaded. ये पर्टिकुलर एक जगह है जहाँ पे गुड्स यहाँ पे खाली भी होते हैं, सामान जो आता है वो खाली भी होता है और भरा भी जाता है, और यहाँ पे बोट्स भी बनाए जाते हैं, स्टीमर्स भी बनाए जाते हैं. दैट इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ स्पेशल प्लेस ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम इन द एंशिएंट टाइम. दैट इज़ अ लोथल. इज इट द प्लेस वेयर दिस थिंग्स वर गोइंग ऑन. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दे हैव गिवन अबाउट द इकोनॉमिक लाइफ इन हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन. हाउ वॉज द इकोनॉमिक लाइफ? The people were engaged in very different economic activities, like in agriculture. They were doing the agriculture, that is farming things they were doing. Livestock rearing, to rear the animals, to keep the animals with us. That is called the livestock rearing. Trade, import and exports of goods, or some big or small business they were doing, like silk industry was there. In agriculture they were growing the crops like wheat, bajri, that is गेहूँ, बाजरी, peas, हम बोल सकते green peas और white peas. Sesame, til, mustard, that you all know, rai. So that is the things they were growing. They used to plow the lands. Plow machines जो होते थे, that they were using to plow the land, खोदने के लिए जो बोलते हैं ना, अच्छे तरह से crops grow हो जाए. They reared animals like cow, buffalo, goats and bullock. They were keeping these animals with them. They were engaged in internal and as well as international trade. I told you they were engaged in international trade also, that is outside the country, and we can say in the different parts of the country. That is internal, अंदर भी कंट्री के अंदर भी बहुत जगह पे वो इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे थे गुड्स का, और कंट्री के बाहर भी कर रहे थे. Historians believe that cotton cloth produced here used to reach Mesopotamia. Cotton was the most important, we can say, material available during that time in India, that is in ancient time. It was the thing produced and was reaching to Mesopotamia. It was reaching to Egypt also. It was reaching to Egypt through Mesopotamia only. So it is a one important thing, that is cotton is a cloth which was been reaching at some of the places outside the country also. In addition of this, people living here were also involved in profession. In addition to this, that is agriculture, or we can say the cattle rearing, or we can say the silk industry. They were also engaged in different activities like pottery, to make the pots from the mud, or we can say the metal work, जो पित्तल के या धातु के जो चीज़ें बनाई जाती, दैट इज़ द थिंग. बीड मेकिंग, मोती की मालाएं, दैट स्कल्पचर एक्सेट्रा टू मेक द आइडल्स, स्कल्पचर यानी. नाउ social life of Harappan civilization. The main occupation of the people of Indus Valley were agriculture and the livestock rearing. People of this time used to have wheat, barley, I told you, gehu, juwar, we can say bajra, we can say peas, green peas or white peas, sesame, til, date palms, khajur. These are the things they were using at that time, growing these things. In their diet, they were using these things in their diet. Due to pastoralism यानी cattle rearing, I told you they were keeping some of the animals with them. Their diet consists of milk and the milk product, because they are having cow, buffalo, goat. They were getting a milk very nicely, and they can produce so many things from the milk. We are getting so many products from the milk, so that was again included in their diet. A fishing hook has been found in the remains of this civilization. A hook which was found, we can say we are having one material, that is a stick is there, in which the hook is been tied with the string, और उसमें से हम लोग fish पकड़ते हैं. So that hook was been found, and from that we can say the fish was also included in their diet food. So that was the thing which they were eating, the food, like we can say this gehu, juwar, bajri. With that they were eating milk product also, and according to that, in addition they were also eating fish in their food. They include fish also in their food. तो food में fish भी include हुई थी उनके. We get information regarding the attire of the people. Attire यानी clothing style, the clothes they were wearing. Now at that time people on the basis of the sculptures यानी idol, एक मूर्ति found from the Indus Valley civilization. Man and woman were wearing the dhoti, two clothes, that is they were wearing the dhoti, and they were wearing a cloth wrapping the upper part of the body. They were wrapping the cloth at the upper part of the body. So that is what the things the people, that is man and the woman, both were wearing the dhoti and covering the upper part with the cloth. Now here some of the people were wearing the clothes which are unstitched and which are stitched. कुछ लोग ऐसे क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं जो अनस्टिच है, यानी वो पूरा कपड़ा जो होता है वो पूरी तरह से अपने चारों बाजू वो लोग लिपट के रखते थे. दैट वी आर हैविंग अ शॉल, हम शॉल कैसे पहनते हैं वैसे वो लोग एक मटेरियल यूज़ करते थे. बट सम ऑफ देम वर वेयरिंग द शर्ट्स, सम वर वेयरिंग द टॉप्स लाइक ब्लाउज एंड वॉट एवर द थिंग्स. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच स्टिच किए हुए कपड़े पहनते थे और कोई अनस्टिच कपड़े पहनते. सो दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस वी कैन से ड्यूरिंग द टाइम, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे डिज़ाइनर टेलर्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते थे, डिज़ाइनर क्लोथ्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते थे उस टाइम पे. राइट नाउ वी आर गेटिंग सच थिंग्स. एज अ नीडल मेक देयर वर मैनी ऑफ द थिंग्स लाइक मेड ऑफ मेटल एंड आइवरी हैव बीन फाउंड. वी कैन एज्यूम दैट दे वोर स्टिच क्लोथ्स, ऑल्दो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वेर अनस्टिच क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो. People of this time wore ornaments like necklace, ring in finger, hand bracelet, who were worn by the woman as well as man. Women wore jewelry like bangles, earrings, waist belt, anklets, etc. These ornaments were made of gold, silver and precious stones. Now they were also wearing different types of ornaments like ring पहनते थे, they were wearing the necklace, they were wearing the bracelets in their hands. They were wearing the earrings, big earrings in their ears, bangles पहनते थे. They were wearing the anklets, पायल जो बोलते हैं हम लोग पैर में पहनते हैं वो पायल. We can say waist belt. Generally the girls are wearing right now the waist belt during the time of Navratri, जो कमर पे बांधते हैं ना, that is called the waist belt. So that is what wore by the woman at that time, and that also they were wearing this ornament made of gold, silver and precious stones like American diamonds or pearls. These are the precious stones. There are so many precious stones, different precious stones from this. They were making the ornaments and they were wearing. हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ भाई सोना और चांदी की चीज़ें हम लोग ही पहनते, गोल्ड और सिल्वर की चीज़ें हम लोग पहनते हैं अभी. In the ancient time also the people were wearing the gold ornaments, the silver and ornaments, and about the precious stones also. And nobody was we can say stealing it. चोरी नहीं होती थी. जहाँ पे अभी हम लोग पहनते तो हमको ऐसा डर लगता है कि कोई हमसे चुरा लेगा, तो सोने की चीज़ या गोल्ड की कोई चीज़ हमसे चुरा लेगा. But earlier they were wearing this thing. Nobody was taking away the gold ornaments. So that is in ancient time also people were having such type of ornaments. The next thing, people of Indus Valley civilization were making the utensils. बर्तन बनाते थे from the mud, मिट्टी से वो लोग बर्तन बनाते थे. फ्रॉम कॉपर एंड ब्रोंज ऑल्सो, पित्तल का या तांबे के और पित्तल के भी बर्तन वो लोग बनाते थे. दैट इंक्लूड्स मग, बाउल, दैट इज मिट्टी के बर्तन, पित्तल के बर्तन और तांबे के बर्तन वो लोग बनाते थे. विच इंक्लूड्स मग. वी आर यूजिंग द मग राइट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग द कॉफ़ी और मिल्क और टी. Then they were using the bowl, they were making the bowl, they were making the metallic pot also, saucer, casserole जिसमें हम लोग रोटी रखते हैं, etc. Other than this, they were making the things which were included for enjoyment for the children, like toys, which are very much enjoyed by the children. They were making the different types of toys for the children, like bird-shaped whistle. They were making the bird-shaped whistle, सीटी जो मारते हैं ना हम लोग, that is called the whistle. Bird-shaped की whistle बनाते थे. Rattlers, they were making the rattlers. Now what is the rattlers? Rattlers यानी क्या? You all know, anybody knows rattlers. Rattlers यानी झुनझुना, जो छोटे बच्चे खेलते हैं ना उसको झुनझुना जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, उसको rattlers कहा जाता है. So rattlers, carriages, cart. Carriages यानी एक ट्रक, कार्ट आप लोग यहाँ पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, उन्होंने कार्ट बनाया है. So that is called a cart. Marbles you are playing. So toys in shape of different birds and animals they make. That was made by even man and woman both. It is not like only the man was making. The women were also making different types of toys. They were also able to make such type of toys. That shows the creativity. That shows the artistic way the ancient people were living their life. This is what the creativity was there in them. People is expressed in these toys. Toys like head shaking animals and monkey climbing tree were also seen here. Head shaking कुछ animals के हम लोग ने देखा है कि भाई he is having moving his head right left और up and down, ऐसे गेम अभी छोटे बच्चे जो खेलते हैं तो उसमें होते हैं, या monkey climbing की कोई गेम. So that is the different types of things they were making. So you can see the pictures of the ornaments, see how the ornaments they were making of gold, silver or precious stones they were using, and they were making the ornaments and they were wearing such type of ornaments. I told you bird whistle, जो सीटी, bird whistle के शेप में जो सीटी बजती है, so that is a whistle, a bird shape whistle की whistle है ये. Next झुनझुना, rattler. I told you the rattler, that is झुनझुना, that is called this. फिर different types of toys also are made by these people. So that is what these people have made, different types of toys here. Different types of toys they are made by these people. So we can say you have seen such a things, that we have seen the port, we have seen the toys, we have seen the economic life and the social life also of the ancient time. Now in the next session we will learn about the religious life, the places of Harappan which are situated in Gujarat, the end of Harappan civilization, and the most important Veda, that is the Rig Veda, which is the oldest Veda, in the next session. Till then, bye everyone and have a nice day.